Kemtai Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to recommended fitness tools and equipment are in the description. Kemtai is a cutting-edge fitness app that offers AI-powered motion tracking to guide users through their workouts. Unlike traditional fitness apps, Kemtai uses your phone's camera or webcam to analyze your movements in real time, providing feedback on your form and technique. This makes it an ideal app for those looking for interactive, tech-driven personal training, whether at home or in the gym. The app is designed for anyone from beginners to experienced fitness enthusiasts who want to ensure they're performing exercises correctly and effectively. Features. Kemtai's most unique feature is its AI-driven motion tracking, which provides real-time feedback on your exercise form. It uses computer vision technology to track your body movements and compare them against correct form, offering instant corrections and tips. This is especially beneficial for those training at home without a personal trainer. The app offers a range of workout programs, including strength training, yoga, Pilates, and flexibility routines, catering to various fitness goals. Each workout comes with guided instructions, and users can track their progress over time. Kemtai also provides custom workout plans based on individual goals, making it a personalized fitness solution. Strengths. The main strength of Kemtai lies in its motion tracking technology. The real-time feedback helps users correct mistakes instantly, making it a valuable tool for improving form and reducing the risk of injury. The variety of workout plans available, from strength training to flexibility, makes it versatile enough for different fitness levels. The AI integration also allows for a more personalized fitness experience, ensuring that workouts are suited to your specific needs. Additionally, the user-friendly interface makes it easy for even beginners to navigate the app and get started quickly. Weaknesses. While Kemtai offers a lot of great features, it does have some drawbacks. The AI motion tracking is impressive, but it can sometimes be inaccurate depending on your environment or camera angle, which may lead to occasional misfeedback. The app also requires a decent amount of space and good lighting to work effectively, which can be a challenge for users in smaller or poorly lit areas. Another downside is that while the basic features are free, the more advanced features, including custom plans and detailed feedback, are behind a paywall, which may be off-putting for some users. Final verdict. Kemtai is a standout app for users who want interactive, AI-powered fitness guidance, especially those focused on improving their form and technique. The real-time feedback makes it an excellent choice for home workouts and those without a personal trainer. However, its reliance on camera tracking and the need for good lighting can be a limitation in certain environments. Despite these drawbacks, Kemtai offers a solid, tech-forward approach to fitness training that's worth considering for those looking to take their workouts to the next level.